Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Twitch followers on mobile, and here's how it is done. Now let us get started. Unfortunately, you cannot check this information directly in the Twitch mobile app, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device. Instead, you will need to open a web browser and head to twitch.tv. Once you are on the site, ensure that you are logged in into your account by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, we will switch to the desktop version of the website. Tap the rectangle with two lines icon in the bottom left corner of your browser. Click on the three dots and on the page menu, select Request Desktop Website. Now that we are viewing the desktop version, I am going to zoom in into the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it and select Creator Dashboard. A pop-up will appear to open in Twitch. From here, tap Open. And now you will see a list of everyone following you. And that is everything you need to know about how to check Twitch followers on mobile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.